Hello and welcome to Babycareus. In today's video, we are going to talk about one of the most important topics for every new mother: how to breastfeed a newborn baby correctly. Breastfeeding is not just about feeding your baby. It is about comfort, bonding, nutrition, and building your baby's immunity from the very first day. For new moms, breastfeeding may feel confusing or even painful in the beginning, but with the right technique, it becomes easier and more natural. First, let us talk about the right time to start breastfeeding. Breastfeeding should ideally begin within the first hour after birth. Early feeding helps stimulate milk production and gives your baby colostrum, which is rich in antibodies and extremely beneficial for newborn health. Now, let us understand the correct position for breastfeeding. Make sure you are sitting or lying in a comfortable position. Your back should be supported, and your shoulders relaxed. Bring the baby to your breast, not the breast to the baby. Your baby's head and body should be in a straight line, facing your breast. The next important step is proper latch. A correct latch prevents pain and ensures your baby gets enough milk. Your baby's mouth should be wide open, covering not only the nipple but also a large part of the areola. The baby's chin should touch your breast, and the lips should be turned outward. If you feel sharp pain, gently break the latch and try again. Breastfeeding should be on demand, not by the clock. A newborn usually feeds every 2 to 3 hours, including during the night. Watch for hunger cues such as sucking fingers, opening the mouth, or turning the head. Crying is a late sign of hunger. Switch breasts during feeding to ensure your baby gets both foremilk and hind milk. Start with one breast and allow the baby to feed fully before offering the other side. In the next feeding, start with the opposite breast. Many mothers worry about whether their baby is getting enough milk. Signs of good feeding include steady weight gain, 6 to 8 wet diapers a day, and a calm, satisfied baby after feeds. Lastly, take care of yourself. Drink plenty of fluids, eat a balanced diet, and rest whenever possible. Breastfeeding is a learning process for both mother and baby, so be patient with yourself. If you face ongoing pain, low milk supply, or latching problems, do not hesitate to consult a lactation expert or doctor. Breastfeeding is a beautiful journey that strengthens the bond between you and your baby. With the right guidance and practice, you can breastfeed your newborn confidently and comfortably.